Welcome back to the Aero World, where adventure takes flight and the wonders of the world come alive right before your eyes. In today's episode, we're venturing into the heart of Colorado, a land where the mountains meet the sky, Colorado Springs. Join us as we uncover the 7 best things to do in Colorado Springs, from exploring ancient geological wonders to soaring over canyons and delving into the rich tapestry of history and culture this vibrant city has to offer. I'm Jennifer, your guide to the extraordinary and the exhilarating. Here at the Aero World, we believe every destination has a story, and today, we'll reveal the tales woven into the fabric of Colorado Springs. Ready for the adventure of a lifetime? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join us on this incredible journey. This is the Aero World, where your next adventure is just a click away. Let's dive in. Number 7. The Broadmoor 7 Falls, a cascading wonder. The Broadmoor 7 Falls offers a breathtaking spectacle of nature, where 7 cascading waterfalls flow through a narrow canyon, creating a scene of unparalleled beauty. The journey to the falls involves climbing a series of stairs that provide spectacular views at every turn, leading to trails that explore the surrounding wilderness. For those seeking a more thrilling experience, zip lining across the canyon offers a bird's-eye view of the falls and the lush landscape. It's an activity that combines the natural beauty of the area with the excitement of adventure, making for an unforgettable experience. The area around the Broadmoor 7 Falls is not just for thrill seekers, it's a place for reflection and recreation. Picnic areas and walking trails offer peaceful spots to relax and enjoy the natural surroundings. The falls themselves serve as a reminder of the power and beauty of nature, inviting visitors to pause and appreciate the wonders of the natural world. Number 6. Cave of the Winds Mountain Park, an underground adventure. Cave of the Winds is a geological marvel that invites visitors to explore the hidden depths of Colorado Springs. Guided tours lead through intricate cave systems, revealing stunning formations, ancient caverns, and the mysterious beauty that lies beneath the Earth's surface. It's an adventure that combines the thrill of exploration with the wonder of discovery. Beyond the cave tours, Cave of the Winds Mountain Park offers attractions that add an element of excitement to the visit. The pterodactyl ride, for instance, launches brave souls over a canyon at heart-pounding speeds, offering an adrenaline rush that complements the underground exploration. It's a place where the spirit of adventure encompasses both the natural and the extraordinary. Visiting Cave of the Winds is not just about the physical journey, it's a journey through time. The caves hold stories of ancient geological processes, early explorations, and the ongoing efforts to preserve these natural wonders. Each tour is an educational experience, providing insights into the formation of caves and the delicate ecosystems they support. Number 5. Royal Gorge, a bridge to natural splendor. The Royal Gorge is one of Colorado's most breathtaking natural wonders, where the Arkansas River carves a deep chasm through the rugged landscape. At its heart lies the Royal Gorge Bridge, one of the world's highest suspension bridges, offering awe-inspiring views of the gorge below. Walking across this engineering marvel, visitors can gaze down into the depths of the canyon, where the river flows swiftly over 1,000 feet below, creating a sense of both awe and serenity. Beyond the bridge itself, the Royal Gorge Park offers a plethora of adventure activities designed to elevate the experience from merely scenic to thrilling. Zip lining across the gorge, taking a ride on the Royal Gorge Route Railroad, or daring to step out on the aerial gondolas, guests can experience the gorge from multiple perspectives. Each activity offers its own unique way to appreciate the grandeur of this natural canyon, combining the thrill of adventure with breathtaking natural beauty. The Royal Gorge is not just an outdoor adventure park, it's a place where the natural world opens up for exploration and learning. The park's visitor center provides insights into the geological forces that shaped the gorge over millions of years, as well as the history of human interaction with this dramatic landscape. Educational programs and guided tours enhance the visitor experience, offering deeper understanding and appreciation for one of Colorado's most iconic landmarks. The Royal Gorge invites visitors to connect with nature in a place where the grand scale of the landscape is matched only by the potential for adventure. Whether it's walking across the historic bridge, soaring above the canyon, or learning about the natural forces that sculpted this natural wonder, a visit to the Royal Gorge is an unforgettable journey into the heart of Colorado's natural beauty. Number 4. Red Rock Canyon Open Space, an outdoor oasis. Red Rock Canyon Open Space is a haven for hikers, bikers, and climbers, boasting a network of trails that traverse through stunning red rock formations, verdant valleys, and tranquil forests. Whether you're looking for a leisurely stroll or an adrenaline-fueled climb, this open space offers a variety of outdoor activities that cater to all levels of adventure seekers. The beauty of Red Rock Canyon lies in its ability to offer moments of solitude and connection with nature. The park's diverse ecosystems are home to an array of wildlife, providing opportunities for bird watching and nature photography. It's a place where the stresses of daily life seem to melt away, replaced by the peace and tranquility of the natural world. Red Rock Canyon is not just a recreational area, it's a community of outdoor enthusiasts who value and work towards the conservation of this natural resource. The park hosts cleanup events, educational programs, and guided walks that foster a sense of stewardship and community. It's a reminder of the importance of protecting natural spaces for future generations to enjoy. Number 3. Cheyenne Mountain Zoo, a wild encounter. The Cheyenne Mountain Zoo, perched on the side of Cheyenne Mountain, offers a unique zoological experience. As America's only mountain zoo, it provides visitors with the opportunity to see animals from around the world in habitats that mimic their natural surroundings. The zoo's elevation not only contributes to the well-being of the animals, but also offers visitors stunning views of Colorado Springs below. One of the zoo's highlights is its interactive encounters, which allow visitors to get up close with animals like never before. Feeding giraffes, watching otters play, and learning about conservation efforts directly from the keepers make for an engaging visit. The zoo is committed to education and conservation, offering programs that inspire visitors to appreciate wildlife and the natural world. Beyond animal exhibits, the zoo offers a range of activities that make it a perfect destination for families. The Mountaineer Sky Ride lifts guests over the zoo, providing aerial views of the animals and the surrounding landscape. With playgrounds, carousel rides, and educational presentations, the Cheyenne Mountain Zoo ensures a fun-filled day for visitors of all ages. Number 2. Pikes Peak, America's Mountain. A journey to the clouds, Pikes Peak, known as America's Mountain, offers an experience that is as breathtaking as it is awe-inspiring. Whether you ascend the peak by the scenic highway, the historic cog railway, or by hiking up its challenging trails, the journey to the summit of this 115 feet giant is an adventure in itself. Each route offers unique vistas and experiences, from panoramic views of verdant forests and alpine landscapes to encounters with local wildlife. Reaching the summit of Pikes Peak is an accomplishment that rewards visitors with unrivaled views of the surrounding landscape. The vast expanse of the Rocky Mountains unfolds before your eyes, offering a moment of sublime beauty and tranquility. The Summit House provides a place to rest and soak in the vistas, with educational displays that narrate the mountain's history and significance. Pikes Peak has long been a source of inspiration. From the Words of America the Beautiful penned by Catherine Lee Bates to the countless artists and photographers who have tried to capture its majesty, the mountain continues to inspire awe and wonder in all who visit, serving as a symbol of the beauty and adventure that await in the American West. Number 1. Garden of the Gods, a natural masterpiece. The Garden of the Gods is not merely a park, it's an outdoor gallery of natural sandstone sculptures, towering majestically against the Colorado sky. These red rock formations, shaped by the forces of nature over millions of years, offer a spectacular view that seems almost otherworldly. The park serves as a vivid reminder of the Earth's ancient past and the natural beauty that awaits those who seek it. Beyond its visual appeal, Garden of the Gods is a playground for those who love the outdoors. Whether you're keen on hiking, rock climbing, or simply enjoying a picnic amidst stunning scenery, this park has something for everyone. Trails of varying difficulty levels weave through the landscape, offering both leisurely walks and challenging hikes that reward adventurers with breathtaking vistas. For those interested in learning more about the park's geological wonders, flora, and fauna, the Visitor and Nature Center provides engaging exhibits and guided tours. These educational experiences enrich visitors' understanding of the park's natural and cultural history, making a trip to Garden of the Gods both fun and informative. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Colorado Springs with the Aero World. We hope you've been inspired to explore, dream, and discover the beauty and adventure that lies in every corner of our amazing planet. If you enjoyed this adventure, give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and let us know where you'd like us to explore next. Don't miss out on any of our future travels and tales. Subscribe to the Aero World and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest videos. Follow us on our social media platforms to get behind-the-scenes content and join our community of explorers. I'm Jennifer, and it's been a pleasure guiding you through the wonders of Colorado Springs. Remember, adventure is out there, waiting for you to discover it. This is the Aero World, signing off until our next adventure. Safe travels, and keep exploring.